Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today in this video I am sharing one of the very beautiful, stylish and very popular footwear designs which are launched at this time, and these are so beautiful and eye-catching that you love to see each and every pair because of the special feature of this collection is that they are very attractive and eye-catching. Colors are till end so that you go through all this design one by one, and I am sure that you will find your choice here in this pretty collection to slip-on designs with beautiful practical heels. Comfortable design are the part of this collection. So guys, these are designs, these styles and introduced for yourself and launch at this time for yourself. So wherever you used to design these beautiful footwear of different heel, which is one of the very practical collection, and this is fit for all of you people because here you find different length of heel, low heel design, medium heel design and high heel design are the part of this particular collections. Please keep in touch with this video or you can easily order one of the pair out of this pretty collection, make it to part of your wardrobe and you will definitely like it and your outfit will perfectly match with these design of footwear. In this collection, sling back designs are also introduced and beautiful zigzag styles are the part of this beautiful collection. So guys, if you like this design and style, please thumb up for this video, share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new here in my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notification of each and every new upload and post. The design and styles are introduced for all my pretty subscribers and viewers. So please keep in touch with my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support towards my channel. Keep supporting me, keep watching these